Hey guys, so let's discuss another problem from binary tree, which is called bottom view of a binary tree. Okay, so you have given one tree something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we initially first problem we have seen that print vertical wise. Okay, then second problem we seen print top view. Top view means this 4, 2, 1, 3, and 7. If someone will see from here, how he will see the view. Okay, so how he will see the view of a tree. Now if someone will see from here, okay, what he will see? He will see this he will see this 4, 6. Okay, 5 will get covered from 6, then 3, 7, and this 2 also. Okay, 4, 2, 6, 3, and 7. So it means that if you remember in top view what we were doing, we were just storing the first node. Okay, so we were having the one condition there: if map is not contain this value, then add, otherwise don't add. So for another one it was not adding. Now here we need only the last one. Okay, so what we will do, we will remove that condition, so it will always override the bottom view, and then at the end you will have the bottom one in the tree. So that's it. Thank you.